You want the ball? You want the ball? Okay, go get it. Where is it? Where'd it go?
Hey, here we go.
Go get it. Good boy. Oh. Come on, bring it back. Come on. Sam? Sam, do you like the new dog food we got? Do you like the new dog food? It's for weight loss because you're so big, Sam.
This is what happens when you go outside rabbit shooting, you leave your dogs inside so they don't follow. Look what has happened. Ben, what have you got to say for yourself, young man? You're not the least bit sorry, are you? And Lucy, what about you? Hey? Are you sorry, Lucy? What a bad dog. Okay.
Go on.
Oh.